This video is going to show you two main things. First, how to insert a table with source notes or footnotes, and also how to adjust the text direction of certain cells. Specifically, we're going to take a look at assignment 76-26. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is to insert our table. If you take a look at it, there are several columns as well as several rows. So I'm going to go up to my Insert tab. In my Tables group, I'll click on Table. And it looks like there are about 8 columns and 6 rows. And although it is already vertical, when we type this out, we're going to type it out normally. So let me bring the e-text over so we can see this. And so as I mentioned, you'll notice this is vertical, but when we first type it out, we're going to type it out normally, straight across. After we finish typing everything is when we are going to edit it and adjust the text direction. And as for our column headings here, because we don't actually have a title, we're just going to type these. We're also going to bold them, but I'm going to start typing them all first before I bold them. And so here are our headings. I'm also going to go ahead and type the rest of the table before I bold and adjust the alignment. Alrighty, so now that I have done that, I'm going to go ahead and merge the bottom row, and I'll insert that note. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is to select the first row. I'm going to go up to my Home tab and I'm going to bold it. Now with them still selected, I'm going to right click and then select text direction. You can also do this by going up to your Layout tab and then in your alignment group click the text direction button. Notice that if I click it once and it actually shows the direction here, but keep in mind for assignment 76-26 it's actually facing to the right. And so here's what that text direction is going to look like. Okay, and so there's a few more things that I need to do. Still with these selected. Now what I'm going to do is to go back up to my alignment group in my Layout tab, and I'm going to select this Align Bottom Center button. Another thing that I need to do is to center my table both horizontally and vertically. So I'll go up to my Home tab. I'm going to then click on my Center Align button. And then I also need to vertically align it. Remember, you can do that by going up to your Layout tab, click your Page Setup dialog box launcher. On your Layout tab, you're going to change Page Vertical Alignment from top to center, and then click your OK button. Okay, we're not done yet. Obviously, this doesn't look exactly like the image. And so what we need to do now is to adjust the row height so that it does in fact look like the image on 76-26. And so what I'm going to do is to put my cursor on this row here and drag it down slowly until everything is on one line. Okay, so make sure nothing is on 2 lines, and just about here is where we can see everything on 2 different lines. Another thing you'll notice is that for this first column here, the last names are cut off on two separate lines, so I'm going to increase the size of that. I'll do the same thing for the fund title code, and it looks like those two are it. And the rest of these now have to be decreased in size, just so it fits a little bit better. And this looks a lot better here. Also, you want to make sure that your alignment matches the instructions. So for the years of experience data and fund title codes, those are all right aligned. And so are the rest of these. So I'm going to select those, and I'm just going to right align them. Okay, and that's how you include a source notes or footnotes section in a table, as well as adjust the text direction within cells in your table.